had the news we've been waiting for, the iPhone 12 launch event official announcement. We can't wait for that iPhone 12 launch event October 2020. We have also some more news, including a leak about the iPhone 12 launch prices for all four models as well. So here is my latest news about the Apple iPhone 12 release date and price with my latest till the iPhone 12 launch. And all of the Apple fanboys and girls want the latest info of everything we have learned this week. So the biggest news we have heard this week is the official announcement of the iPhone 12 from Apple themselves, and also a leak about the iPhone 12 prices for all four models on release day. If you follow my channel already, you will know that I do 2 videos a week of all the latest leaks for the iPhone 12. Well, we can all congratulate John and buy him a drink, as he was right on the money. As of October the 6th, Apple announced a new virtual event happening on October 13th. This is the second Apple virtual event happening in less than a month since the first one, or the last one more like, what was the Apple event on September 15th that showcased us the new Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE. We also saw the new iPad 8 Gen and the brand new design Apple iPad 4 Air with the A14 chipset inside. The exact same chipset we believe will be in the new iPhone 12 models coming out. The Apple event picture is showing 4 bubbles going from an orangey colour to a navy blue, what could represent the colours of the new iPhones. We have known for some time we'll be getting a navy blue colour of the iPhone 12, so this might be just confirming that. Also, the 4 bubbles may represent the 4 models of the iPhone: the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12 normal, the iPhone 12 Pro, and of course the iPhone 12 Pro Max. What is also important here is the tagline of high speed. Just like the watch and iPad event in September, we got the tagline of time flies, and this was referring to the watch. In the October event, the hi could represent saying hello or hey or hi down the phone, and of course the speed could also be representing the new A14 chipset in the iPhone 12 models. Some other thoughts and idea is the smallest circle with the Apple logo inside it could be a picture concept of the new Apple tags that we're expecting to see this year as well. If you want more information about those tags, check out my other video on this channel for them. Other details on this press announcement include the time of the virtual event, what is 10 AM PDT or 1300 EST, 1800 GMT or 2230 IST. Myself, I'll be doing a pre-event here on YouTube and then a live coverage with chat facility and then a quick summary afterwards as well. And those details I'll be announcing soon, so make sure you've hit that subscribe button and bell to get those details for that pre-event. But the main thing here, guys, is the wait is over and the official iPhone 12 announcement is happening on October 13th. In other news, we've had a leak of the iPhone 12 prices for all 4 models and storage sizes in US dollars. This has come from Apple Rumors. The prices show the following for each model. The iPhone 12 mini will start at $649 US for the 64GB model, and the 128GB model will start at $699, followed by the 256GB model starting at $799. Then moving on to the normal iPhone 12, this will start at $749 for the 64GB model, $799 for the 128GB model, and then finally $899 for the 256GB model. Moving into the Pro territory, the iPhone 12 Pro, this is again the 6.1 inch model, and this will start at $999 for the 128GB model, $1,099 for the 256GB model, and $1,299 for the 512GB model. Then finally, the iPhone 12 Pro Max will start at $1,099 for the 128GB storage model, then $1,199 for the 256GB model, and $1,399 for the 512GB model. If these prices are correct, then definitely the iPhone 12 Pro models are cheaper than the iPhone 11 Pro models, as you'll be either getting a bigger screen or more storage for less money in the comparison this year. So actually getting our hands on these iPhones, well, some models are likely to be on sale the same week as the launch event, so we're expecting the actual release date to be October 16th, what will be for probably the iPhone 12 mini and the normal iPhone 12. The other models like the Pro might not be available until November time, but no firm date has been set for this. Apple may take the same approach what they have done with the iPad Air 4, where they just firmed it was coming out in October time. They may do the same with the iPhone 12 Pro models and just say it is coming out in November time. So that giveaway I mentioned earlier, to be in for a chance to get the iPad 8th Gen in that giveaway, make sure you hit the subscribe button first, followed by the bell. Then I want to know from you, if you own an iPhone at the moment, what model do you have, or maybe you prefer Android? I would love to know in the comments below what phone you have and what is going to be your next. With the latest Note 20 launch and soon to be iPhone 12 release, would it either of them be on your shortlist? Let me know below to be in a chance when we get over 75,000 subscribers, and then I will reveal the winner. So with those details about the Apple event and also those two other leaks as well, I'm going to do a recap like I do in all my other iPhone 12 videos of everything we know in connection at the moment, because there are still many accessories that require that. However though, inside the box of the new iPhone 12 you will get a lightning cable to USB-C end. And also, as I have mentioned and I've rambled on before, and I'm not going to do it this time, that is, you will not be getting a charger inside the box with that cable, and at the same time as well, no cabled AirPods either. Finally, it's also worth noting that this year all 4 iPhones will be IP68 at 4 meters of depth. So this means if you're gonna go away with your iPhone and you chuck it into a swimming pool, it can survive up to 4 meters of depth clean water up to 30 minutes before any serious damage happens to the phone. However, I wouldn't really try doing this. Watch somebody else on YouTube who does have a lot of money to waste, and also check out to see if the iPhone 12s will survive 4 meters of water. With all of that being said, are you excited about the iPhone 12 and will you be getting one? Let me know below what model you plan to buy. Well guys, that is the latest and greatest info we have on the iPhone 12 at this stage. If we do get any more info, of course we will share it with you. Don't forget, if you